If you are not leveraging LinkedIn in 2023, then my friend, you are missing out a lot. LinkedIn provides you the network of 900 million professionals, wherein you can showcase your abilities, skills, and experience and unlock thousands of business and career advancement opportunities. If you are looking to supercharge your LinkedIn profile, increase your influence on the platform, and unlock the opportunities, then our 30 days mentorship course can do just that for you. In this 30 days mentorship program, you will be attending 4 live sessions with me, where you will learn how to optimize your profile and make it magnet for the opportunities, how to create the content which builds your authority and credibility. I will be sharing you the secrets how you can reach out and connect with the influencers and the top professionals of your industry. You will also learn the hacks and secret sauce how you can build your influence, and I will be answering all the questions you have to excel on the platform. Alongside with these 4 sessions, I will be personally reviewing your profile and giving you a detailed feedback so that your profile stand out in the industry. Content creation is always a challenge for a lot of people. So I will be solving this problem by giving you a 30 days content plan along with the analytics management, so you can understand how your influence is growing with the time. And the best part, you will have an access of community of like-minded people who are also keen to grow their influence on the platform. Sounds great, but that's not all. I will be giving shout out to top 5 people from this cohort. I have a network of 12,000 people, including the top influencer of the industries, chairmen, directors, CXOs, vice presidents, and the top-notch professionals from various industries. And all the participants of this mentorship program will get a certificate. Amazing, right? But you will be thinking this will cost you a lot. No, my dear friend, I am giving away this course at a very special price of 1999, less than 2,000 rupees. But for this special cohort, I have given a very special offer which you can check out in the link below. So what are you waiting for? Check out the link below and register in the program and start growing your influence and unlock the opportunities.